Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint at home. First, you'll want to understand the fundamental steps involved in creating your own unique digital assets. This includes choosing the right blockchain platform that aligns with your goals and preparing your digital artwork or content. It's a straightforward process once you know the key components, allowing you to transform your creations into verifiable digital property. We'll cover everything you need to get started today. Next, selecting your blockchain platform is crucial. Popular choices include Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana, each offering different benefits regarding transaction speeds and fees. After choosing, you'll need to set up a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, like MetaMask, to securely manage your digital assets. Remember to fund your wallet with a small amount of the native cryptocurrency, perhaps a few dollars worth, to cover the necessary transaction fees, often called gas fees. Now, let's prepare your digital asset. Ensure your file, whether it's an image, audio, or video, meets the platform's specific size and format requirements. Most platforms support common formats like JPEG or MP4. Craft a compelling description that highlights your asset's unique qualities and set appropriate royalty percentages, typically between 5 and 10% for future sales. You might also consider adding exclusive unlockable content to provide extra value to your collectors. Finally, it's time to mint. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet to your chosen minting platform. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to upload your prepared asset, confirm the details, and approve the transaction. Once minted, your digital asset becomes a unique, verifiable item on the blockchain. Don't forget to promote your new creation across social media and relevant communities to reach potential buyers and build an audience for your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.